Hi everybody, welcome to Nostalgic Replay. Today I am going to share with you these really awesome puzzles that I found. They're all wood puzzles. They're going to be available in my eBay shop, Nostalgic Replay. Let's just open some of these up here and I'll show you what the pieces look like. Lots of fun shapes. I did not put any of these together, but the previous owner does have some notes inside some of these puzzles, not that one I just opened, but like she took a picture, she built it and took a picture, and then she wrote on there what was missing. I did not verify this. You can see there's the 3 missing pieces. Look at how cute that is. And then this one here is really special. This one appears to be the oldest. It has, open this up. It has this awesome tray inside that folds open. You build your puzzle on here. It says the patent has been applied for this. It also has the original guarantee. And then here's her notes. With this one, there's the puzzle. Then it says 3 have been repaired and 1 has been chewed. Let's see if I can find the chewed one, because I think that's important. Let me see here. Here it is. You see, there's a couple, it looks like maybe a cat got it, because those are real tiny little, or a little toy dog. But I just wanted to share how awesome this was. Later, the trays would say patented. So this was even before it was approved. It was just applied for. Well, thanks for joining me, and check out my eBay shop, Nostalgic Replay, if you are interested in any of these puzzles. Have a great day.